kubika emirobelio eliogokora obwengi naboigo obutumeki bw'ebinywegwa byogotindia litko lia lero nigo abobisa ba NACADA kobwaterana n'abanyanyimbo bakora obonyabi asensemo ya Kongo KAWANGWARE ime county ya Nairobi na KONARIA abakagirwa bobwengi naboigo ebinywegwa ebyo Bitancheirie okwana nigo baeneke buna nigo ebinywegwa ebyo byabere bikoirwa ase chinsemo asinonya nabo nigege kurege tindi kyarwegwa gukia ase abananchi baba bakoboligwa waka oroboti naboigo kubwaterana gukora omuchando yo.
We raided a premises believed to be a distillery of an illicit brew changa. So tactically we entered the house or the premises and found a brewing ongoing, whereby we managed to see of 50 distillery points ongoing, and upon further moving around that premises, we noted that there was a very huge consignment of Kangara of around 480,000 drums, 480 drums, each of 200 liters. We also had molasses packed in the 50 kgs, around 350 sacks. We had also other accessories used for the manufacture. That's brown sugar from Malawi. We also had exhibits over 1,000 liters of changa, which were already manufactured, ready for transport. So at that area, we also managed to arrest 3 ladies believed to be the engineers or the persons believed to be the ones conducting the exercise, together with their men used for the purposes of manufacturing or to assist in the process. So at that point, we had to confiscate the items which are with this, as you can see there. Those are the liters confiscated, the copper wires used for the distillery, the drums, the sugar, and the suspects. What we can say is that this is a very huge and a great breakthrough, because information we have been receiving from NACADA is that there have been changam being manufactured from KAWANGWARE and they ferried to various towns or various centers within the Nairobi County. Those, as you can see, those changa had been packed. Others were meant for South B, others for Ingo, which means they are distributed within those areas within Nairobi County. So as NACADA, we are all aware the 100 days were declared by the CS Interior, and we're working closely with the members of the public, because if they share information, we are ready to act.